Hello friends, myself CA Deepak Aggarwal. Today I will present the new finance bill applicable for financial year 25-26, which is going to be implemented from 1st April 25. So first of all I will cover the revised tax slab which will be applicable from 1st April 25. So the new tax slab will be applicable for new tax regime. Here I am presenting you the slide which is comprising revised tax slab for financial year 25-26 and the new tax slab which is still applicable for this current financial year and with comparison of old tax regime slabs. So here you can see the major differences which the government has implemented or proposed to implement it with effect from 1st April 25. Now up to 4 lakh income there is nil tax in comparison to last year which is 3 lakh with nil tax rate and so on. So as per my opinion new tax slab is will be more beneficial in comparison to old tax regime. Now we move to another amendment under section 87A. Basically this deduction is applicable only for resident individuals, which says that the income tax rebate has become now 12 lakh from 7 lakh and rebate will also be increased. It means up to 12 lakh rupees there will be no income tax. But they have inserted a proviso which excludes the income tax at special rate. It means on the special rate tax incomes, for example capital gain, lottery, virtual asset, etc., this rebate will not be applicable. Now we come to another amendment, a new tax benefit to NPS in case of minor child has been allowed. It means previously if we invest in our name, this deduction is being allowed of 50,000, but now if you made an this investment in the name of minor child, then also you will get the deduction. It is not an another 50,000 deductions in case of minor will be allowed. The same deduction of 50,000 if you made your in your name in your minor name, then 50,000 will be allowed. Now another amendment is new section inserted 44 BBD, which is proposed for financial year 25-26 to consider 25% of amount paid or receivable will be considered as gross receipt for tax purpose. It will be applicable only when the non-residents provide service or technology to Indian companies which are engaged in electronic manufacturing to promote the IT sector. This is a welcome amendment. Now we come to the another amendment, extension of time limit for ITRU. The deadline for taxpayer to file the updated income tax return has been extended from 2 years to 4 years from the end of relevant assessment year. It means now we can file the income tax return for 4 years as amendment if we are missed to file the return. But now we have to pay some additional tax as showing on your screen. If we are filing the tax return 12 months from the end of assessment year, then 25, 24 months 50%, 36 months 60%, 48 months 70%. Now there will be the TDS related amendment proposed by the Honorable Finance Minister under 193 section. 10,000 threshold limit has been proposed. 194A for bank, cooperative and post office 50,000, and in another case 10,000 has been proposed. In section 194 for dividend, it threshold limit has been increased to 10,000. These are small amendments. In case of 194H commission or brokerage, threshold limit has been increased to 20,000. In case of rent, 194I, earlier it was 2.4 lakh per annum, but now it has been changed to 50,000 per month. Now we have to check the per month limit to deduct the TDS. Under section 194J, limit has been increased from 30 to 50,000 and so on. And miscellaneous provisions are also there. TCS, which was levied on the remittance made for education purpose, when these remittance are finished, so there was TCS, now it has been removed. Another provision is that if under section 206C, if in case of sale of goods more than 50 lakh, then there was a 0.1% TCS, it has been removed. Still 194Q section is there, then means TDS is still applicable. The higher TDS rate 20% will apply in case of where taxpayer doesn't have PAN or doesn't provide PAN. Now this is still applicable, but other cases, for example, non-filing of TDS income tax returns. So in that case, higher TDS will not be applicable. The miscellaneous provisions has been amended. For example, now income tax return has been more simplified. AIS, TIS will be more advanced with a lot of more information. More pre-filled details in the tax returns will be there for quicker filing. And new income tax will be presented by Finance Minister next week, which will be more simplified than current income tax. So this is my presentation. If you have any question, then you can ask me on my mobile number, which is presenting on the screen. Thank you.